I want to do a quick review of my new woodworking bench for kids, and this one is made for classroom use at the Clear Spring School. It will be featured in an article in Popular Woodworking later on in the year. It's also a great bench, I think, for grandparents to introduce their children to woodworking, or for parents as well. So let me show you some of the features. First, you'll notice the dog holes in the top, and I'll show you a little bit more about how these are used. But that just allows you to fit bench dogs. It allows you to fit bench dogs into the hole and hold things between the dogs. You'll notice that the vise has a dog inserted in it as well. This is removable, so you can put it in place when you need it. One of the things that you'll notice about this bench that it also offers storage on the inside with these with the lid that just opens up, and it's designed so that your fingers will never be in the way when it closes, where they could be pinched. Another feature is this little thing right here that raises and lowers out of the way when the lid is open, but it raises to support wood from the other end of the vise. So let me show you how that works. Mounting wood between the support and the vise. I'll move the bench dog out of the way. Oops, have to tighten that up. Tighten that. So that allows you to edge joint. With the use of the bench dogs and a single vise, you can lock a piece down on top of the bench for hand planing. You'll notice how the space between the top boards allows you to place clamps at any number of places along the length of the bench. You'll also note how the little dog in the vise and the dogs on the bench allow you to hold shorter pieces of stock.